Cicero Pro Marco Marcello, nullius tantum flumen est ingeni, nullius dicendi, aut scribendi, tanta vis, tanta copia, quae non dicam ex onardre, sed enardre, Gai Caesar, res tuas gestas possit. As Cicero continues, he's going to provide quite a bit of flattery here to Gaius Julius Caesar. He says, of no one is the flow, flumen, or the source of genius or talent so great. No one's flow of talent is so great. Of no one, nullius, is their power, vis, of speaking or of writing so remarkable, tanta, or such an abundance, tanta copia, which I do not say could, possit, adorn, but even to adequately describe, Gaius Caesar, your accomplishments. This is a very lovely sentence that well repays extended study. It begins with nullius, which is masculine, singular, and genitive. And of course, this is the genitive of nullus, or of nemo, if you prefer it that way. So it's possessive here, no one's flumen. Flumen is neuter singular and nominative. It means a river or a supply. It's going with this partitive genitive ingeni, and ingeni is neuter singular and genitive from the second declension noun ingenium, which means genius or natural talent. So no one's supply, that's a metaphor, flumen, of natural talent, tantum est, is so great. Then we have nullius repeated, same gender number and case, namely masculine, singular, and genitive. No one's vis, power, and supply of speaking or of writing. And both of these are gerunds, that is, they are verbal nouns, active, and they are neuter singular and genitive. So we have three genitives in a row. The first one is possessive. These two are functioning with vis and with copia, both of which are feminine. Both vis and copia are feminine, and they're nominative and singular, just like flumen was neuter and singular and nominative. So tantum flumen, but tanta vis and tanta copia. And all of this is going to set up the subordinate clause here, quae through possit. So no one has a supply of natural talent that's so great. No one has such a power, vis, of speaking or writing, really such a supply and abundance. So we have three words here that are functioning more or less like synonyms, flumen, vis, and copia. The first one goes with ingeni, natural talent, in the genitive. The second two go with dicendi and scribendi, which are both gerunds in the genitive. So no one has those things, and quae now is the relative that I believe refers to all three, but it's picking up the gender of the most recent one, namely copia. So this quae here is feminine, singular, and nominative, even though the antecedent is all three of these things. Such as, I do not say, we take this as parenthetical, such as, I would not say, possit, is able, ex ornare. This means to decorate, such as would be able to decorate your accomplishments, res tuas gestas. Now this is feminine, plural, and accusative, and it's the object of ex ornare, but it's also going to be the object of enardrare, which is another infinitive. So no one has these three things, flumen, vis, copia, which could adorn, I don't mean even adorn, non dicam, but even fully describe narrare, res tuas gestas, your accomplishments. And then we have in here C, Caesar. Now C is short for Gaius, but it's going to be Gaius in the vocative, so Gai, because this is the second declension, masculine singular vocative form, Gai Caesar, like so. And then we have alliteration between ex ornara and a narrare. And notice that they are not only alliterative, but they are the same number of syllables. So this is a really beautiful sentence that repays extended discussion and study. Just to be a little cheeky, I decided to illustrate this with an AI-generated version of Julius Caesar. See if you can spot the anachronism in this image.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.